I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so troubleshooting is precise. Open Settings, run Windows Update, and restart. This clears transient DirectX conflicts. Then run DXDiag to see which DirectX runtimes and feature levels are present, because Fivem needs compatible DirectX layers. Next, update your GPU drivers using the vendor installer and choose a clean install. This prevents driver remnants from causing DirectX failures. Once done, make sure overlays are disabled before you move to the next step. Now you address runtime and conflict issues that commonly break Fivem. Repair all Visual C++ redistributables, because missing or corrupted DLLs often manifest as DirectX errors. Use the repair option in Programs and Features. Next, run the DirectX end-user runtimes, June 2010, installer to restore legacy DLLs. Fivem may call. Also, disable overlays and background capture tools, since they hook into DirectX and can crash the game. After these steps, to finish, clear the Fivem cache and verify the client files. Corrupted cache often triggers DirectX failures, so delete the cache folder and let the launcher rebuild it. Run Fivem as administrator and set compatibility to Windows 10 or 11 if you suspect API mismatches, because permissions can affect DirectX initialization. If issues continue, gather your DXDiag output and Fivem logs. This single troubleshooting tip saves time when you need forum or developer help. Provide those files to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.